Hello children, today I am going to explain LCM, least common multiples. In short form, that one is LCM. To calculate or to take out LCM of any number, so you just follow some methods like first method is LCM by listing the multiples. So question I have taken over here, find the LCM of 9 and 12. So in solution, what shall we do first? First we take multiples of 9 like 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54 and 63. Like that we have to take multiples of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, like that we have to take 36, then 48, then 60, then 70 and so on. So like that you have to take out first multiples of that number, of those number, whatever number is given in your question. Then what shall we do? We just find out which one is the least and common multiple. So here in 9 and 12 case, I just got 36 is the least and common multiple. So LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. Okay children, so this is the answer. 36 is the LCM of 9 and 12. Now come to next. So this is another method, LCM by prime factorization method. So we just use this prime factorization method and calculate LCM. Now some steps I am going to discuss. So you just follow those steps to find out LCM by prime factorization method. So first step is factorize the given number. Then second step is find the factors which are common to at least two of the given numbers. Okay, factorize the given number means first we find out factors of given number, and then we just find the factors which are common to at least two of the given numbers. Okay, now third step is take the common factors only once. So only once you have to take that common factor. Now just see this question, you can understand. So find the LCM of 10, 15, 18 by factorization method. So first I took over here 10. Okay, and find out, you just find out factors of 10. So first I divide 10 by 2. I got 5. Then 5 is divided by 5. So we got the answer, we got 1. 5 ones are 5. Like that you have to divide 15. So here factor of 10 I have written 2 into 5. Okay, now come to 15. So here 15 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 I got. Again 5 is divided by 5. So this is 1. Okay children. Now you just see I have written over here factor of 15 is 3 into 5. Now come to next. Take this digit 18. So like that 18 is divided by 2. So 9 we got. Okay children. Now you see 9 is divided by 3 again. So we got 3. Then 3 is divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. Okay, 1 is left. So here I have written factor of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. So LCM of 10, 15, 18 is 19. How? You just take common factor. 2 is present in 10, 2 is present in 18. So I have written over here 2. Like that 3 is present over here and 3 is present over here. So we have to find out common factor 3. Like that, 5 is present in 10, 5 is present in 15. So common factor once we have to write 5. Okay, now 3 is left. So you have to take 3 also. Just you multiply 3 over here. 2 into 3 into 5 into 3 is equal to 90. This is the LCM of 10, 15 and 18. Is that clear, children? Now come to next, another method. So you see LCM by short division method. Question I have taken. Find LCM of 12, 16 and 18 by short division method. In short division we know, in SCF also we take those numbers together and divide. Okay, 12, 16, 18 I have taken and you just divide by 2. So 6 2s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. Now come to this. Again you just divide it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 9 comes down like that. Okay children, now come to next step. So you just divide this one by 4. Okay, now you just see 3 comes down, 9 comes down and 4 ones are 4. Now come to next. So these numbers again we have to divide by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay children, now again this one is divided by 3. So here we just get 1 comes down and 3 ones are 3. So now LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 4 into 3 into 3. So 144 is the LCM of 12, 16, 18. So like that you have to do. This is short division method.